We talk a lot about legendary James Webb Space Telescope on this channel. JWST has clicked so many mesmerizing images with the sharp details, and those images helped us to shed new light on a different perspective on how the universe operates. But today let us put JWST aside for the time being and talk about Hubble Space Telescope and one of the most iconic and mesmerizing images that it has captured. So which image are we talking about? What exactly did Hubble Space Telescope observe? And most importantly, what is the significance of this image in the world of astronomy? Before we begin with the video, if you are constantly curious about the universe, if you want the big questions answered, then do subscribe to the Universe Factory and press the bell notification next to it. We regularly post interesting content about latest happenings in the world of astronomy. Additionally, you may find us on social media platforms, links to which have been mentioned in the description. Do not forget to check out. Back in 1996, astronomers attempted to do something extraordinary. They pointed Hubble Space Telescope into the patch of the dark sky located southwest of Orion in the southern hemisphere constellation Fornax. The area of the sky is with the low density of bright stars in the near field, allowing much better viewing of dimmer, more distant objects. This patch of the night sky was no bigger than a piece of 1 mm square piece of paper held 1 meter away. The lens of the telescope was kept open for 11 full days. The light that is traveling through the space since almost the time of the Big Bang around 13 billion years ago was received on the detectors. We got an incredibly beautiful image that combines hundreds of separate exposures taken by the Hubble Space Telescope over long exposures. By gathering light from extremely faint and distant objects, the Ultra Deep Field allows us to peer back in time to a period when the universe was just a fraction of its current age. Just look at that. One of the most profound and humbling images in the history of mankind. This piece of art is called as Hubble's Ultra Deep Field image. Each and every single dot, smudge, smear, spot of light in this image represents a galaxy, some of them containing billions of stars, and they are billions of light years away from us. Light from these galaxies left when the universe was just only around 500 million years old. The original data for the image was collected by Hubble Space Telescopes from September 2003 to January 2004. What is truly mind-boggling is the sheer diversity of galaxies presented in this tiny region of space. Some galaxies are spiral-shaped with graceful arms, while others are elliptical or irregular in form. This diversity gives us valuable insights into the early stages of the galaxy formation and the evolution of the universe. As we mentioned earlier, the light from these galaxies has been traveling for billions of years to reach us. When we observe the Ultra Deep Field, we are looking billions of years back in time. These galaxies, even if they appear to be still, are actually moving away from us due to the constantly expanding universe. Because of this expansion, the farther is something away from us, the more its light has shifted towards the red, appearing to be moving faster. This phenomenon is known as redshifting, and it's a measure for not only speed but also for the distance. The Hubble Ultra Deep Field, or HUDF, is the deepest image of the universe ever taken and has been used to search for galaxies that existed between 400 to 800 million years after the Big Bang. Several galaxies in the HUDF are candidates based on photometric redshifts to be amongst the most distant astronomical objects. The red dwarf UDF 2457 at a distance of 59,000 light-years is the furthest star resolved by the HUDF. The star near the center of the field is USNO A2.0 060001400432 with apparent magnitude of 18.95. The field imaged by the telescope contains over 10,000 objects, the majority of which are galaxies. Many of these are at redshifts greater than 3 and some that probably have redshifts between 6 and 7. The more is the redshift value, older and farther away is that object. The NICMOS instrument measurements may have discovered the galaxies at redshifts up to 12. The HUDF has revealed high rates of star formation during the very early stages of the galaxy formation, within a billion years after the Big Bang. Galaxies at high redshifts have been confirmed to be smaller and less symmetrical than ones at lower redshifts, illuminating the rapid evolution of galaxies in the first couple of billion years after the Big Bang. Having Hubble Space Telescope or JWST is like having cosmic time machines, allowing us to study the universe's past and better understand its future. Over the years, the Ultra Deep Field has provided scientists with numerous groundbreaking discoveries. The Hubble Ultra Deep Field continues to inspire astronomers and space enthusiasts worldwide. It serves as a reminder of our place in the vast cosmos and the beauty of the unknown. Thank you so much for joining us on the cosmic adventure through the Hubble's Ultra Deep Field. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more captivating journeys through the space and time. Until the next time, watch these recommended videos if you want to know the real age of the universe or if you want to observe major astro events that are happening in August 2023. We will be back with yet another super cool, interesting video. Till then, keep looking up and never stop exploring the wonders of the universe.